Phone work for you. Simple features, shortcuts, and settings. If you're new here, welcome to Cyber Seniors. We connect generations through technology. We connect generations through helpful, patient technology mentoring. Our primary mission is to help you build confidence on your personal devices. And today's session is completely free, interactive, and goes at your own pace. What is an Android phone? First, we have the software. Android is the engine operating system that runs the display screens and apps. Many different phone manufacturing brands utilize the core Android software. If you own a phone from Samsung, Motorola, LG, or Google Pixel, you are an Android user. The story behind Android. In 2003, Android was founded. It was created in California to build a smarter, more customizable mobile phone engine. In 2005, Google joined. Google acquired Android, investing resources to make mobile phones accessible to everyone. In 2008, the first Android device was launched, the T-Mobile G1. It introduced the world to the open layout of the Android operating system. Subscriptions and system cost. The total cost is $0. The Android software is completely free and pre-installed directly onto your device. Section 1, customizing your settings. Let's customize your display to make text larger, clearer, and much easier to read daily. How to open your settings. 1, you swipe forward from the bottom of your screen to reveal your apps. 2, you look for the app icon shaped like a gear or a cogwheel. Step 3, you tap that icon once to enter your phone settings panel. How to make your text bigger. 1, you open your phone settings and you tap on the accessibility menu. 2, you tap on the option labeled font size or font. 3, you locate the text slider at the bottom. Drag the slider dot to the right to enlarge your letters. How to adjust your screen brightness. First, you'll want to swipe down with one finger from the very top of your screen to reveal your quick settings. Then you'll see a slider. You'll drag your finger left or right across that horizontal bar to dim or brighten your screen. Some phones have adaptive brightness. You can toggle that on to let your phone automatically adapt the brightness levels to your current environment's light. Turning on eye comfort, dark mode. The feature switches your phone's bright white system background to black, making text glowing white. Why do you want to use it? It minimizes blue light glare in low lit rooms. It relaxes your eyes and saves system battery life. To set it up, you'll open your settings, tap display, tap the bubble marked dark mode, and then it will switch your device to dark mode. Section 2, improving battery life. Keep your mobile device powered and reliable all day long with some simple battery habits. Some common battery drainers. 100% brightness. Keeping your screen permanently at full illumination drains battery fast. Background applications. Apps running background checks when your device is sitting idle. Location and GPS tracking. Map navigators frequently pinging your exact location, satellite details. How to use power saving mode. 1, you'll want to open your settings and tap on battery or device care. 2, find the toggle option labeled power saving or battery saver. 3, switch this toggle on, your device will automatically save energy. Closing background apps. 1, you'll want to tap the recent apps key, the icon with 3 vertical lines at the bottom of your screen. 2, this will show all the apps you left running in the background. And 3, tap the large close all or clear all button to shut them all down at once. Managing your screen timeout. What is it? It dictates how long your phone display is illuminated when you put it down. Advice: setting this to 30 seconds or 1 minute prevents unnecessary battery loss. To configure, you'll want to go to your settings, click display, screen timeout, and select your preferred time. Section 3, making your phone easier to use. Learn how to simplify your menus, use voice commands, and zoom in on small details easily. Your quick settings panel. How do you open it? You'll want to swipe down with one finger from the very top edge of your screen. This will give you access to shortcuts, one-tap buttons to manage key functions like Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth, flashlight, airplane mode, and other similar things. Setting up easy mode. So easy mode, if I recall correct, will kind of simplify your phone, making apps bigger and easier to access, and just easy mode. To enable it, you'll want to open settings and tap on your display menu. Scroll down the options list and select easy mode. Flip the switch to on. Your home icons will immediately double in size. Using Google Voice Assistant and/or Gemini. How do you open it? Say, "Hey Google," or "Hey Gemini" out loud, or hold down the physical circle home button. Voice prompts. Speak naturally to let your phone execute actions for you. Some examples are call my daughter, what is the weather outside, or set an alarm for 8 a.m. Read aloud. Select to speak. So this will you'll be able to highlight a text message or something, or maybe a web article, and it will read it to you. To enable it, you'll want to go to Settings, Accessibility, and tap Select to Speak. Then you'll flip that toggle to the on position. Then you'll want to tap the tiny floating person button, then tap any text. Your phone will read it out loud. Here are some Android pros and cons. Some pros: huge text scales. Font sizes can be dragged much larger than competing devices. Cost choice: there's a wide range of affordable devices and prices and manufacturing options. Some cons: brand differences. Settings, screens can look slightly different on Samsung or Motorola. Then there's menu choices. Having lots of options in the settings can initially feel overwhelming. Free online resource guides. So for Google, Android Help, and Support Hub, you'll want to go to support.google.com/Android. And then for cyber seniors, we have some resources for Android as well, located at www.cyberseniors.org/resources. And then AARP also has some videos at www.aarp.org/technology.